Hello! Because a lot of people liked my coffee embellishment stickers, I wanted to share it with you, the whole process and how easy it is to make. I wanted to include what picture was my inspiration to make this cute embellishment. Picture is from the Facebook group I'm in, and you can find the link of the group in the description below. Let's start with this tutorial. I took the edge piece of the cardboard from pizza box. Some pizza boxes have scalloped edge on the edges. I fitted my cup lid template on a bigger cardboard piece and roughly cut smaller pieces so it's more manageable to work with. Because the cardboard has corrugated middle part, I flattened it with very good glue stick. That way when I cut that small lid out, it looks better and more solid, and I don't need to reshape it, like I did on my first two prototypes. I put the cup lid template on the edge of the scalloped edge, and I hold it tight with one finger and trace it around with pencil. Then I just cut it out. I help myself to cut smaller rectangle out and then shape the rectangle with the help of my drawn lines. You can see the difference between straight and scalloped bottom edge. I wanted to have scalloped edge on the bottom of the cup because it looked really nice and finished. Now I'm going to show you how I made the cup. You need corrugated cardboard. Mine is from Pizza Box. I pulled off the top layer from the cardboard. If you don't have Pizza Box, you can buy corrugated cardboard. I turned mine on the side where paper is still left so I can draw the shape of my template on. I extended the line from the ridge so I know in which direction ridges go, like vertically or horizontally. I positioned the cup on the corrugated cardboard so lines go vertically on the cup. If your corrugated cardboard doesn't have paper on one side, just glue a piece of paper on it, let it dry, and then draw your shape on it. It's easier to cut it out when one side has the paper on it. I traced 2 times and cut them out. I put 2 lines on the left and the right side of the cup template so I can trace the paper holder to glue it on. Here I'm just showing the one that I already cut out from fabric paper. I'm gluing it on the cup, aligning it with the edges of the coffee cup. I usually save paper edge strips from old books that I cut off, and I fold one and creased a bit bigger than needed. I opened the strip and put glue on it and fold it back. After the folded strip is dry, I can trace my cup holder on it. I found if I first cut it horizontally, I don't need to retrace the shape again for the width of my cup holder. I hope that makes sense. If my cup holder is too big on one or the other side, I just reshape it after I glued it on. I take my lid and position it above the cup, just to see if it's too big, too small, or if it's okay for my cup. Then I cut a piece of paper as big to cover the majority of the lid, and then I glue it on the back of the lid. Then I attach it on the cup. Here I'm showing another example how to glue it together. If you want to have a nice back side, you can glue printer paper or any paper on the back and cut it around. Then I take sticky foam and attach it on the back. You can really make them in batches. They're so quick to make. So there you have it, your own coffee 3D stickers. Happy crafting! Bye!